Today, we're at Spirit Halloween. This is one of our favorite places to stop, especially during this time of year. We're gonna check it out and see what kind of deals they have, what's new, and what's maybe still going on from last year. Interested? Here we go. It's funny you gotta wear a mask to go into a Halloween store. Motion sensitive. Yeah, he jumps out at any time. That's interesting. You don't have to step on anything. I guess these would turn on. Nope, that one's not working so well. And what's this little? Now this little guy again. Of course, lots of spider web. Michael Myers. Yeah. Think about it. That's really scary, given what we're going through right now. David Pumpkin. One terrified kid. This looks pretty good. Faux sledgehammer, but I tell you what, depending on what's going on in your life, you wouldn't want to do that. Freddy, Jason. They got everybody here.
Want a little candy? Come on. I won't hurt you much.
Steampunk. This store's much bigger than last year. You would wonder that what sensitivity's going on, whether or not that would be an issue. Ooh, Cobra Kai. Johnny headband, although he doesn't have a Cobra Kai on it. Daniel headband. Cobra Kai socks. Harley's bat. Now, that's not bad. Yeah, that's a pretty good representation. 25 bucks, 20% off, but not bad. Harley's jacket. NASA astronaut helmet. You got fog machines. Beetlejuice. Wonder Woman. No Fortnite so far, which I think is a good sign. Way overplayed last year. Ha 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 ha. They have the Proton Pack, and they even have Slimer. Awesome. Okay, here's the Harry Potter section. Always popular in my family. And then just generic, traditional costumes. There's one I've never seen before. Abraham Lincoln. Go figure. Furries. For those that are into that stuff. And of course, the most scariest costumes this season. These guys. Plenty of accessories. In every funky color you can think of. Cartoon hands. Okay. Didn't say how much they are. Caps, anyone? Wigs. Weapons. Seems to be a lot of the less of those this year. Like by half or a third. This is a variation of what I used to make the babysitter a couple years ago. And I made one of those. Much better looking than that one. The Negan bat. I'm curious to see how interested people will be in wearing masks, considering they've been wearing masks for about 6 to 8 months. The aptly named Chop Shop. This is where all the zombie stuff is. Okay, freaky dolls. Clowns are just scary in general nowadays. This guy came from last year. Still hanging around. Body parts, anyone? And then somebody's been creative and taken some of the body parts and actually they're screwed in. Kind of a saw motif. And then this is the part I can never understand. Zombie babies. I mean, it's just so wrong on so many levels. Freaky little kids. See if we can set these guys off. Oh. Okay. He's not doing anything.
Look at me.
Oh, here he is.
Just as all the others have. Now that I have you, your soul will be mine forever.
It looks... he doesn't move much. They look like they have motion sensors now, not foot things. Come on, what are you gonna do? There you go. Huh. You know, if you're going to hang out like that, you're very susceptible to a front kick. Giant spider. Oh boy. Okay, here's your Minecraft. Marshmallow's big this year. Holy moly, look at that. Halo. And some unicorn. Ah, here we go. How appropriate. Fortnite on the clearance rack. Japanese contingent anime is here. More Ghostbusters, but smaller sizes. And oh no! I thought I could get out of this store without this. Oh, Fortnite! No! 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 Okay, here's the other side. This is the kids section. So you got all these blow-up things. I don't know why anybody would wear a poop emoji. Never seen it out in the real world, but I guess somebody buys them. Kids scale weapons. A rotten to the core. And look at that. Spirit design. Who's this guy supposed to look like? Huh? Front of the store near the cash registers. So overall, pretty impressive. Lots of interesting new things, lots of branded Spirit Halloween things. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in this kind of things, making and breaking things, cosplay, all sorts of prop builds, home repairs, check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what you're going to see.